click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android Question. In this video, I will talk about the Android Pie update of Nokia 5. So let's watch. So friends, Nokia 5, which is one of the oldest Android device from HMD, has started to get Android Pie update, and CEO of HMD Global has also tweeted about Android Pie update of Nokia 5, and also they have posted a video about Nokia 5 major OS update history. And friends, if we talk about in which countries the update is available, so this update is only for global variants of Nokia 5. And friends, the update file size is about 1663.2 MB and a little bit different for other countries. And if we talk about what's new in this update, so first we have new system navigation, new settings menu and notification bar. Then we have adaptive battery feature which control battery consumption very smartly. Then we have optimized brightness feature. These all features are commonly found in Android Pie devices. And friends, according to Nokia update policy, these devices has completed their time and now Nokia is not guaranteed about their future update. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video. So subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.